Lex, see if
Look
there's
at
anything
that
in there.
biceps. That biceps is big, mate.
Nah.
Big biceps. Big boy.
Big boy.
Big boy.
Oh.
Hey guys, Ninja and the body.
Hello.
Jace.
Ah,
He's back.
we're back, Ninja.
And we're fresh off a 5-day workshop, and
Yeah.
we're inspired because one of the sections in the workshop is dynamic treatment. isn't it?
Dynamic, yeah.
Dynamic. We love dynamic treatment. It's something that not many people out there in the world do. So we're going to just show you a bit. We're not going to tell you how we do it, but we're going to just show you. So can't give away our trade secrets.
But give you a little bit of a glimpse, a bit of a teaser.
Bit of an idea what's possible. So the upper trap here on young Jace. Give that a bit of a stretch down.
Oh, when did you start doing dynamic treatment, Ninja?
It was in probably 1999.
99. Was
Yeah,
that a lot of the
2000.
postural integration stuff? Is that quite dynamic?
No, I just sort of when I was working on my own. I'll probably more accurately be 2001, because that's when I did a lot of my own self-treatment.
Yeah.
And so I kind of everybody that had a neck stuff, I treated them seated first.
Just went dynamic straight away.
Yeah. And I love blowing people away with, you do one side of the neck and then they go, oh,
Yeah.
that was my bad side. Now my other side feels crap.
The classic, I can't do a head check in the car or when I'm sitting at the desk and trying to look at...
It was just so cool how you could be effective, and I think it was part of the sales. You give someone a sample and you show them how good it is, and then imagine if you got 60 minutes of this.
It becomes a bit of a party trick, doesn't it? We said it at the workshop last week that you're at a party and people are sitting around and someone has a sore neck, just put a thumb in it while they're sitting there and
fix them.
Fix them in 10 minutes and
So do another one of them. Maybe you can move a little bit this time.
Start to do some dynamics. So depending on what it's associated with, sometimes you can do some neck stuff. You can also get some shoulder movements. But
yes,
sometimes just even movement of the head and neck helps with shoulder. Oh, when I go that way, it's a big stretch.
Yeah.
Oh, pulls all the way to the base of the ear, that one. We can just... What do I need? Do I need to hike up? Do I need to let it drop? Push the chest out a little. Is that better, Ninja?
Yeah, mate.
Make myself look better.
Good posture.
Sit up.
Yep.
Get out of this hunch.
So there's quite often people have problems kind of going sideways, and feels like it's getting caught in here. So one of the little spots.
Oh, between the legs.
Yeah, we can kind of innovate a bit. I might not give you that one. I might.
Not yet.
So I can go up a little bit higher.
Yeah.
Get it so you can kind of see. So in there, like that. So
This might be if I'm struggling with a lateral raise, is it, Ninja?
yeah, if you're doing lateral raises, you're probably a bodybuilder.
Never done one in my life. I only when Darcy and Aaron have made us in a workout video, but just my shoulders don't love them. But maybe this is what I need, and you just
do this, and you can do some lateral raises.
Something about shoulders, just I don't know.
Cooked shoulders.
Yeah, I think because we use our shoulders so much for treatment, so I'm like, if I just cook them pre-treatment, I'm not going to be able to do as much pressure, and I feel like they get enough work when we're treating 10 people a day.
Yeah.
So
I can get in there. There'd be a lot of people could relate to this one, I reckon. Like just right on that joint, gets all plastered up, calcified. So
feels very pinchy.
Yeah.
Sometimes if you're struggling to get up there.
So we can kind of go through a bit of range and see if we can get a different spot.
This is that one that it might be like, I can't tell if it's here or here. It's quite often this spot, isn't it, Ninja?
Yeah.
Just, yeah.
I got one for him.
Even if you maybe bring it out in front there, Ninja. Yeah, that's right. Bring the arm out there.
Right.
Oh, that's it. Yep. Ooh. Guided him into a better spot.
Yeah.
For my own pleasure.
Bit of teamwork.
Oh.
It's a bit of flickering there. Get close up.
Yeah, big flickers.
Can you see
Round
that,
the-
Leo?
round
If
the
you come in,
side.
there's a bit of a...
Oh, stop
twitch.
now.
Oh, stopped. Didn't perform for the camera. Oh. We
It's
all have a bit
flickering
of
around.
a bit of performance anxiety in there.
Yeah,
oh.
it's flickering. It's flickering a bit.
Oh. Jeez. Oh.
Oh, if you had lost a little bit of body fat, we'd be able to see it, Jace.
Me?
reckon?
Yeah, I reckon
Yeah.
need to trim down a bit.
Trim up a
I got
bit.
blown out a little bit the last week and a bit.
Yeah, man.
Suck 'em in.
Yeah.
Disgusting, isn't it, Ninja?
Move around a bit.
Oh, I feel like that one.
Yeah. Reckon it's good and up.
Oh, still a bit.
Where do you feel that when you're going up?
It's even a bit
Lower down, like out into that deltoid.
Let's do there. Tuberosity.
tuberosity.
The old tuberosity. Show us your tuberosity.
Your tuberosity is showing.
Bit of a Simpsons line there.
Epidermis.
Yep.
How regularly do you think we quote The Simpsons, Nick?
Oh.
How many times a week do you reckon we'd give it a run?
Yeah, we give it every week.
At least
miss.
every week, isn't it? There's something.
Neither of us have watched the show for 20 years. Just the
Between
old.
you, Aaron, and I reckon there's always at least one in the week.
Yep. They were funny.
Yeah, I might have to study up and start rewatching again.
Yeah.
Just from like seasons, I reckon it's about 7 to 12, I think was when it was like peak.
Peak.
Yeah. When there was just like every episode seemed like it had one of those famous quotes.
A zinger.
Yeah, zingers. So
Yeah.
maybe I'll just give that a little run in, make that my homework.
Yeah. Bring it along and add it into the
bring it.
into the video.
Throw in an obscure Simpsons reference or obscure character that people might have forgotten about.
Yeah.
What do you reckon, Ninja?
Yep.
We actually were trying to come up with that, weren't we, for our team? Who would be each Simpsons character from our MMT team here? So, yeah, a few people might not be happy with who they got, but Ninja reckons he's Homer, but just lacking the guts. And
Got the hairdo.
You got the same hair, that's about what you got, isn't it?
Yep.
Quick wit.
Yep. He doesn't mean to be funny, does he? Oh, Homer. Who would you be, mate?
I have no idea.
Do you know that scientist guy with the glasses and
Professor Frink.
freak, is he?
That's a bit rough.
You could be him.
I don't think I'm quite that much of a nerd, but guys and guys.
Yeah, that's
Big nerd monger.
I reckon you'd be
Surely
him.
that's got to be like
One of our higher end practitioners.
Nerds.
like, yeah, probably Elliot or Aaron are probably more of the nerdier type than me.
Yeah.
We thought you said Aaron and I would be Carl and Lenny.
Yeah, that's cool. That's pretty funny.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh. Give it a little flex, see if
Look
there's
at
anything
that
in there.
biceps. That biceps is big, mate.
Nah.
Big biceps. Big boy.
Big boy.
Big boy.
Oh.
Everyone likes being called a big boy, don't they?
Depends what the what reference to.
Yeah.
Do you want to be known as a big boy, do you?
Yeah, everyone does, I think. Oh, you're a big boy. Bit more.
Bit more?
Bit more.
What else you got, Ninja?
More
Any
lovely.
other secret spots?
Nah, I was I had a couple up my sleeve, but I'm gonna leave them
hold
for
on to
another
'em?
video.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Oh, he's
have
holding out on
to get
it.
into contact with us if you want to know
Yeah,
more.
maybe stick around. There might be another one next week.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right.
All right, he's called it.
He
Cool.
said,
How's it feel?
Oh, brilliant. Fixed.
Yeah.
that's all we can say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lots of movement.
Lots of movement.
But dynamic. It's the way to go.
Give it a go.
Or
Yep.
get it done if you're...
Client needs some work.
Yep.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Done.
See ya.